Welcome to level 7. Remove one outlier and plot and find the equation of the line of best fit using the median method given points A to J. If we look at all our points, and we can see them all on the screen here, we have A to J. E doesn't seem to belong. You could use the rectangle method to spot the outliers, but you can see that it's definitely E. I'm just going to click here on the A with the rectangle tool on and the translation tool on. Hit the A, then I want to rotate about that A. So rotate, I'm going to click on the A point again, rotate around it, point my rectangle at the J, hit the stretching tool, stretch it until it goes through the J. Well, you don't have to make the rectangle, but it gives you an idea that E just doesn't belong here. The E is at 1023. It's right here. I'm just going to put X's here to remind me. The median method, I have 9 points, which is very convenient for breaking it into 3. I'm going to take the first 3, find the median of that. 2 is the middle value of the X's. The X's are in order. The Y's, you might have to put them in order. It's 12, 14, 22. 14 is the middle value. The next 3 is the 9, the 14, and the 18. I'm going to put 14 as my middle value. For the Y's is 12, 6, and 5. 5, 6, 12, 6 is the middle value. For the last 3, I have 19, 20, 22. 20 is the middle value. 0, 0, 2, 0 is the middle value. Then I want to take the average of these medians. That's going to make a point that I want our new line to go through, writing P for point. The average of those is equals, click on the 2, plus the 14, plus the 20, divide by 3. I'm going to fill that right as well. My point is 12, 6.6 repeating. I want to find the slope of the line that passes through the first and the last median. I'm going to write delta x here, delta y here. 20, take away the 2, which is 18. And here we have 0, take away 14, which is negative 14. That gives us negative 14 over 18, or negative 7 over 9 as our A value. A, and the A value is the negative 14 divided by the 18, which is negative 0.777 repeating. The B for this point, this is my Y value, that's my X value, so it's Y minus the A times the corresponding X is 16. Our equation is Y is equal to negative 7 over 9X plus the B value is 16. Let's go and graph that. The B value is 16 and negative 7 over 9 is the slope. Here's my 16, negative 7 over 9. You move over 9 and then down 7 to here. This is the line of best fit, and it does go through that rectangle that we made. The outlier that we picked was E, and that's everything. And then we press answer to see if we're right.
I said, yeah. I said, oh, yeah.
Let's do one more. Looks like the H is the outlier here. If we quickly made our rectangle, going through the A, rotate that about the A, point it down to the I, and we can see that that goes through almost all the points. I'm going to rotate it off of the B. Not that you need to do this. We've already established that it's definitely H is the outlier. Rotate this about the B point and have it go through the I point. I think that's probably going to get me the smallest rectangle possible. Drag that back. It's going through the B and the I, and then stretch it so it's going through the A. This is probably our rectangle that fits all of our points. H isn't part of that. The H is at 1416. 1416, I'm going to put an XXX here. We had 9 points, now we have 8 points. I'm going to do 3, 2, and 3. I'm going to take the median of the first 3, so that's 5 for the X value. Y, we're looking at 11, 14, 17. I have to reorder those to find the middle value is 14. Then the middle 2, the 7 and the 8, that gives us 7.5 as the middle of that. And 11 and 13, which is 12, is the middle of that. Then the last 3 points, 10, 12, and 15. 12 is the middle point. 7, 6, and 3. This is in the reverse order. 3, 6, 7, 6 is the middle value. To get our point P, the average of the medians is equal to 5 plus the 7.5 plus the 12 divided by 3, 8.16 repeating, or 8 and 1/6. Fill that across, that gives us 10.6 repeating. The delta X and the delta Y. The delta X is the last median, take away the first median, is 12, take away the 5. In the median method, what we do is we divide the data into 3. We find the medians of each group. We're looking for a point P is the average of those medians, and we're looking for a line that goes through point P and has the same slope as the line that goes through the first and the last of the medians. Looking at the first and the last of the medians, getting a delta X of 12 take away 5 is 7, and fill that right. we have 6 take away 14 is -8. Our slope is -8/7. As a decimal, that is -8/7 is this thing, but our equation is y is equal to -8/7. That's going to be more useful to us when we graph. X plus the b value. The b, we're looking for, has this slope, it's going through this as our point. This is my y value, that's the x value. We know that the b is the y take away the a times the x is 20 plus 20. The outlier is h, capital H. You need to go and graph that. Start with a b at 20, and -8/7 is our slope. Line drawing tool, go to the 20, -8/7, so over 7, down 5, 6, 7, 8. It is going through all of our data points. Let's press enter to see if it's right. Yay! All right, and that's it for level 7. Have a good day.